2025 fitness goals made easy. Maximizing your exercises with personal empowerment teams. Are you ready to take control of your fitness and unlock new opportunities in 2025? Personal empowerment teams can make it happen. Hi, I'm Joseph with Personal Empowerment Teams and author of Legacy Portal. I too have fitness challenges caused by a near-death car accident that broke 4 of my vertebrae in my back and tore my stomach apart and damaged, my entire body. And this made it impossible, almost impossible, to exercise because I kept re-injuring myself. I didn't know to be more gentle as I progressed. So I kept going backwards. Anyway, I ended up 50 pounds overweight and my body was in constant pain. Fortunately, personal empowerment teams helped me to recover my body by keeping me committed to my physical therapy and fitness program till I lost 55 pounds, restored my body, and today I have much less pain and I continue to lose weight. But imagine not having an empowerment team and a strong support system to help me navigate through my health and fitness or life in general. So, as a matter of fact, there would be no champions or superstars if they did not have their own empowerment teams to make them great. Every champion had an empowerment team to make them a champion or a superstar. So why not you? Now imagine what you could do if you had your own empowerment team with coaches and trainers to become who and what you want to be. Well, today I'm sharing how to join a local empowerment team to take your health and fitness to new levels. Now, understanding personal empowerment teams is easy. Personal empowerment teams consist of small, in-person inner circles of trusted allies who inspire, guide, and hold each other accountable to be who and what you want to be. So it's 2025 and today's a perfect time to make commitments to be the best you. Empowerment teams are your 2025 partners for the best exercises, eating less and healthier, a richer life, more income, better relationships, and bold moves to potentialize your life. So there's 3 steps to getting started in 2025. First, write down 3 specific changes that you want to achieve in 2025. Write them down and make sure that they're specific. Number 2, register and visit an empowerment team as a guest for questions and answers to prepare you for your team, coaches and trainers. And third, join an empowerment team, make clear commitments to yourself and your team, and remember, teamwork makes the dream work. So make 2025 your year for health and fitness breakthroughs and create a future you're excited about. Subscribe to this channel for tips and tools to empower your journey. Comment below about your fitness struggles and breakthroughs. I'd love to hear them. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to help others like yourself.